How do I explain to you that just by filling a Google form, you stand a chance of qualifying for an airdrop worth 500k USDT? I mean $500,000 USDT, 20 million worth of HX token, and 3 Epic SAR NFTs. Now, this has nothing to do with, you're not actually trading here, you're not doing anything that serious. All you need to do is to fill in the Google form with some detail. Now, this is actually one of the most popular PepDex trading platform in the Asian community. Their mobile app actually went viral and they have notable achievements. Firstly, I want to apologize that I'm dropping this video a bit late here because the Google form is going to close on the 3rd of December and I'm dropping this video on the 1st of December, 7 a.m. West African time, which is 6 a.m. UTC. Please get to work immediately. Now, the detail for you to get onboarded into this PepDex trading platform is rightly on my, you gotta find it on my X handle. I'm gonna be dropping the link to the detailed guide I made in the comment section and in the description box. Please, just in case I forget, remind me in the comment section, but I'm not going to forget, I promise that. And aside that, I'll be hosting an X space where I'll be bringing top giga chart to onboard a lot of person into Web3 rightly. There are a lot of people that got onboarded into the Web3 space through TG, Telegram, Airdrop, and they are disappointed. And because of that disappointment, they feel that the whole entirety of Airdrop is actually more like a lie, you understand? So what I want you all to do right now is that make sure that you are actively following me on X, because this space is going to be scheduled for the 1st of December. It has already started. The 1st of December, which is today, and it's going to be ending on the 6th of December, starting 8 p.m. West African time daily. You're going to be having speakers that are going to teach on DeFi, speakers teaching on NFTs, speakers teaching on video content creation, speakers teaching on how to get Web3 jobs, and a lot more. Please do not miss. It is tagged Web3 Wonderland Christmas Camp, and you're going to have time to ask a lot of questions so that you can be onboarded properly. I want you all to step into the year 2026 with good knowledge and understanding about Web3 and stay profitable. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on X and follow me on Telegram, follow me on TikTok. The link to all my community, I'm going to drop it in the comment section of this video and also in the description box. Please make sure you run quickly and hop into this update from HX trading platform. We are actually in as far as early as the first week of December. It actually kickstarted, I think, on the 2nd of November. I'm sorry, not 1st of December. It only started 1st of November, you understand? Also, just make sure you ape in quickly. Please do not miss out. Please, just a reminder again so you do not forget, the form is closing on the 3rd of December. I have received it on the 1st. Please make sure you go follow that video guide that I'm going to drop in the description box and in the comment section. I'm going to drop the link, so whichever one is clickable by you, go click it and watch everything I need to do and do it immediately before the phone close so that you don't miss. Make sure you also don't miss the XP so that you can get onboarded into Web3 properly. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.